By the time this video is over, you'll have the knowledge to become a millionaire, and all you need to do is take action. Have you ever stopped to ponder the path your life is on? Are you genuinely satisfied with where you stand, or does a deep longing for greater fulfillment and accomplishment reside within your heart? Think for a moment about the unique gifts and talents you possess. Are you fully embracing them and harnessing their potential? Or do you sense uncharted territories of excellence waiting to be explored? Consider the relationships that grace your life. Do you serve as nurturing soil for your personal growth and overall well-being, or do you believe there's room for more profound connections that uplift your spirit? These questions have the power to stir something within you. They're the gentle whispers that beckon you to reflect not only on where you are, but where you could be. Before we proceed, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and pass it along to others. This way, we can help even more people achieve success, which is what Luxo-Life is all about. And if you're new here, subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the notification bell. Together, we'll explore what it takes to succeed and make your dreams come true. Let's start by painting a picture of what it feels like to be a millionaire. Being a millionaire is like having a pocket full of dreams that you can turn into reality. It's the feeling of knowing that you have the power to make a difference, not only in your own life but in the lives of others too. Being a millionaire is like having a warm, comforting blanket of security wrapped around you. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can take care of yourself and your loved ones without constantly worrying about money. But it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom it brings. Being a millionaire is like having wings to fly and explore the world, to chase your passions, and to give back to causes that matter to you. It's about the moments of joy where you can treat yourself and your loved ones to something special, and the satisfaction of achieving your goals one by one. Being a millionaire is like having a key to open doors of opportunity and the responsibility to use that key wisely. It's a journey that begins with a single step and continues with determination, hard work, and a vision for the future. So as we embark on this journey to help you achieve your millionaire dreams, remember that it's not just about the destination, it's about the incredible journey along the way. Now here are 7 tips that can be valuable in various aspects of life, including personal development, business, and goal achievement. Let's break down each one. Tip 1. Think big. Time is short. When we talk about thinking big, we also need to recognize that time is a precious commodity. It's not just about dreaming grand dreams, it's about realizing that time is limited. In fact, it's like having a clock constantly reminding us that every second counts. Thinking big with the understanding that time is short encourages us to act with a sense of urgency. It's like the realization that we need to move swiftly and purposefully towards our ambitious goals. When opportunities arise, we seize them promptly because we understand that they may not come around again. Think of it as a fast-paced race where the finish line represents your big dream. The awareness that time is short becomes the driving force propelling you forward. You don't dawdle or procrastinate, you take decisive steps fueled by the knowledge that the clock is ticking. Thinking big with time is short is about setting ambitious targets and breaking them down into actionable steps, ensuring that you make progress efficiently. It's like sprinting toward your goals instead of strolling, maximizing the time you have at your disposal. So while thinking big, remember that time waits for no one. Embrace the urgency, make every moment count, and let the awareness of time's brevity inspire you to act boldly and swiftly. In doing so, you'll find that thinking big not only expands your horizons but also propels you forward towards your aspirations with remarkable speed and determination. Tip 2. Embrace value over time for dollars. Shifting your mindset to prioritize value over time for dollars can be a game changer. It's like recognizing that the true worth of what you offer goes far beyond the clock. Instead, it centers on delivering excellence and real worth, which can in turn command a higher price. Imagine you're an artisan creating a unique masterpiece. Your focus isn't solely on the hours spent, but on creating something extraordinary. When you prioritize value, you're dedicated to providing exceptional products or services that leave a lasting impact. It's akin to investing your efforts in a painting that captivates hearts or a service that solves a significant problem. This mindset encourages you to go beyond the ordinary and venture into the realm of the exceptional. When you embrace value over time for dollars, you're no longer confined by the limitations of an hourly wage. Instead, you're creating something that possesses enduring value and command a premium. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into mighty trees, providing shade and sustenance for years to come. Your work becomes a legacy, appreciated not just for the time spent, but for the lasting value it brings. Tip 3. Broaden your reach, impact more lives. Expanding your sphere of influence and serving a larger audience can unlock new avenues for growth and success. It's like casting a wider net to share your positive impact with a greater number of people. Think of it as tending to a garden. When you nurture and care for a handful of plants, your influence is limited. However, when you cultivate a sprawling garden, your positive impact extends far and wide. This principle encourages you to reflect on how you can touch more lives in a positive way. It's not just about reaching more people, it's about making a difference in their lives. It's about asking yourself, how can I contribute to the well-being and growth of a larger community? Imagine the joy that your actions, products, or services are touching the hearts and minds of people far beyond your immediate circle. It's like a ripple effect, where the positive change you initiate in one life can lead to transformations in countless others. So as you explore this principle, remember that it's not just about expanding for the sake of growth, but also extending your positive influence to those who can benefit from it. In doing so, you'll not only experience personal and professional growth, but also fulfillment in the knowledge that your actions are creating a more profound and widespread impact. Tip 4. Master effective communication. Effective communication is like a superpower that can elevate your success in every facet of life. It's a fundamental skill that, when honed, can strengthen your relationships, boost your negotiation skills, and ensure that your ideas are conveyed with crystal clarity. Think of communication as the bridge that connects you to others. When you communicate effectively, you build strong, sturdy bridges that enable seamless interaction. It's about more than just words, it's about understanding, connection, and resonance. Imagine a world where your thoughts, feelings, and intentions flow effortlessly from your mind to the hearts and minds of those around you. Effective communication empowers you to do just that. It's like having a key that unlocks doors to understanding and cooperation. This tip encourages you to recognize that communication is not limited to one specific aspect of life. It's a universally valuable skill. Whether you're forging deep personal connections, navigating the complexities of negotiation, or sharing the ideas with the world, effective communication is your guiding star. Tip 5. Decide, commit, achieve. Take action. Here's a straightforward formula for achieving your goals. Decide, commit, achieve. It's like a roadmap that leads you from your dreams to your reality. The key is to decide what you want, commit to it wholeheartedly, and then take relentless action to make it happen. Imagine your goal as a destination on a map. First, you decide where you want to go. This step is about clarity and vision. It's like setting your GPS coordinates. You need to know your destination before you can start your journey. Next, you commit to your goal with unwavering dedication. It's like making a solemn promise to yourself that you won't give up until you reach your destination. This commitment is your fuel. It keeps you going even when the road gets tough. But here's the critical part. You must take action and you must take it now. Procrastination and self-doubt can be a formidable obstacle on your journey. That's where the just do it mentality comes in. It's like stepping on the gas pedal and moving forwards without hesitation. Think of it as climbing a mountain. You've decided to reach the summit, you're committed to making it happen, and now it's time to take that first step. Although the path may be difficult, every step you take will get you closer to your destination. So as you apply this formula in your life, remember that it's not just about thinking or talking, it's about doing. Action is the bridge that connects your dreams to your reality. So decide, commit, and take action, for it's in the doing that you'll find the path to achievement and success. Tip 6. Speed is your ally. Perfection is the enemy. In the pursuit of success, it's essential to remember the age-old adage, "Nobody's perfect." This phrase underscores a fundamental truth that perfection is an elusive and often unattainable goal. Recognizing this reality can be a crucial part of embracing the principle that speed is your ally and that perfection can be a roadblock. The saying "nobody's perfect" serves as a reminder that every individual, including yourself, has flaws and limitations. It's recognition that perfection is a subjective and ever-shifting standard. What's considered perfect today may not be tomorrow, and what's perfect to one person may not be to another. When applied to the principle of prioritizing speed, "nobody's perfect" reinforces the idea that waiting for perfection can be counterproductive. It acknowledges that you're not striving for flawlessness but rather for progress or growth. It's about taking action and accepting that mistakes and imperfections are a natural part of the journey. Imagine an artist working on a masterpiece. They may strive for perfection in every brushstroke, but they also know that art's beauty often lies in its imperfections. Each stroke adds character and uniqueness, making the artwork more compelling. Tip 7. Model the masters and embrace success-oriented connections. The principle of model the masters, hang out with successful people underscores the immense value of learning from those who have already achieved success. This practice can be an invaluable asset on your own journey to success, offering mentorship, inspiration, and crucial insights into the paths of those who have become before you. Imagine you're embarking on a challenging hike through uncharted terrain. Surrounding yourself with experienced hikers who have already conquered similar trails can be the difference between stumbling in the dark and confidently navigating the path. When you model the masters, you're essentially saying, "I want to learn from those who have succeeded in my desired field or area of interest." It's like studying the strategies of accomplished individuals to understand how they reach their goals. Moreover, hang out with successful people is about more than just observation. It's about building relationships with those who inspire you. Success-oriented connections can provide mentorship, guidance, and unwavering support. Picture it as a vibrant garden where each successful person is a unique flower thriving and blossoming. By surrounding yourself with these blooms, you absorb their wisdom and energy. And as you embrace this principle, remember that success leaves clues and that successful individuals often have stories, experiences, and knowledge to share. By learning from them and fostering these meaningful connections, you gain a treasure trove of insights to help illuminate your own path to success. With all that's been shared, we want to emphasize a heartfelt truth. If you aspire to achieve millionaire status, it's perfectly okay to strive for quick success. Sometimes, the idea of getting rich slowly can be more daunting and uncertain. By thinking big, valuing your time, expanding your influence, mastering effective communication, taking bold action, embracing imperfections, and learning from those who've achieved, you embark on a path that can lead you to your dreams with a sense of urgency and purpose. In the pursuit of your dreams, remember that time is precious, and seizing the moment can be the spark that sets your journey ablaze. And there you have it, Luxo lovers, the conclusion of today's video. We hope you found these tips valuable on your journey towards success. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up by liking the video, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and pass this wisdom to others who can benefit from it. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay updated and continue your path to success alongside us. Thank you for being a part of Luxo-Life, and until next time, keep thinking big, value your time, and embracing the incredible opportunities that lie ahead.